Hello, and welcome to this sleep visualization. I'm Anna Elizabeth. Listening to this visualization before going to sleep can be a powerful way to relax your body and quiet your mind, allowing you to drift off into a restorative sleep. Take a few moments to attend to your comfort. Find a position in which you feel supported. Look around the space that you're in, and then close your eyes and visualize yourself here in this space, supported and safe. Listen to any sounds that are distant, and then listen to sounds that are closer at hand. Finally, turn your attention to the sound of your breath. Take a deep breath in, and then as you exhale, notice any parts of your body that relax even a little. Imagine the air you breathe in containing life-bringing oxygen as it passes in through your nostrils and fills your lungs. Hold the air in your lungs for the length of one inhale. Then release the air very slowly for twice the length of your inhale. Pause before taking in another slow breath, holding the breath, then releasing the breath slowly. Do this one more time. Breathing in, holding, breathing out, then letting your breath return to its natural rhythm. Notice any parts of your body that feel supported by the surface you're lying on, or by pillows or blankets near you. Notice any parts of your body that feel heavy. Notice any parts of your body that feel light. Now imagine yourself walking in a field, surrounded by grasses that gently sway and ripple in the breeze. You can hear meadowlarks around you, and as you walk, you see some butterflies fluttering through the air. You walk down a gentle slope. With each step you take, you relax a little more. At the base of the slope, you see a sparkling stream. The water is crystal clear, and the sound of it flowing is soothing and calming. You take a moment to stop and dip your toes in the cool water, feeling refreshed. Then you rest by the stream and you let your feet dry in the sun. White clouds drift above in a blue sky. Your thoughts come and go like the clouds, and you let them move by, returning your attention again to the stream, then maybe to the clouds, and back to the stream. When your feet are dry and you feel rested, you continue to walk, and you notice a rocky path between some trees ahead. Some of the rocks are large boulders, and some are small. Some of the rocks are a little rough, and they have gray and orange lichen growing on them in places. You carefully make your way over the stones, balancing by touching some of the boulders and navigating the uneven ground under your feet. You may be reminded of some of the challenges and obstacles that you have met during the day or farther in the past. You continue to navigate this path with patience and attention. Just like how you navigate this path, you know that you can navigate any challenge with mindfulness and patience. You take a deep breath in and you remember that you are strong and capable. The rocky path is bordered by shimmering aspen trees with white trunks with black strips. You spot an orange lily, some white flowers, some yellow goldenrod, and a raspberry bush. A sweet aroma, maybe of wild roses, wafts in the air. 5 or 6 different birds are trilling melodically. You pause while you look, listen, and breathe. A sense of belonging and peace arises in you. As you continue to walk, you come across a spring. The water is coming from between the stones and the ground, and it flows into a stream. The stream is running so strong and clear that you can see the rocks and pebbles on the bottom. Where the water comes out of the rocks, you take a drink by cupping your hands and lifting the water to your lips. The water is cold and pure. You feel deeply refreshed. As you sip from the cool, clean spring, you realize the challenges and effort of the path are behind you, and that you feel ready for new beginnings. You allow yourself to be fully present in this peaceful moment. Your sleep tonight will heal you, and you will awaken feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. As you drift off, you may continue to hear my voice, or it may drift into the distance, reminding you that you are connected, you belong, you are strong, and you are resilient. As you drift off, you may continue to see the trees, the plants, the birds, the field, the rocks, and the streams. And you may remember your walk and your contemplation of the clouds, the water, and the field of waving grasses. You are capable. You are strong. You are resilient. You belong. You are connected. You are part of this natural and beautiful world. As you travel through your dreams, your sense of resilience and calm will support you through any challenges, and you will remember the peace that is inside you and all around you.